honestly think that it's gonna change everything. What's going on, Lawn Care Nation? Richie Flemings here, Flemings Lawn Landscape. Just kidding. He had his daughter prank him yesterday on that video he put up yesterday. But no, this is definitely not Richie Flemings. This is Drew Hadwin with New Beginnings Landscaping. Tuesday, 10 to 5, we headed out. We're going to cut the first yard in a while. I'm gonna see how it goes. We got some exciting news. Made a new purchase today, and it's not here yet. I just purchased it today. I'm waiting on it to ship here, but it's definitely gonna be a game changer for me, for sure. So you guys stick around, find out what it is. We'll catch you when we get to the yard. All right, so here we are. Where? Oh, that's behind me. But we're here. So it's not too bad for 3 weeks worth. Irrigated lawn, that's not too bad. I realized that I left my daggum tripod home. So I'm gonna have to figure something out here. But what I'm gonna do is weed eat around the fence, the whole entire fence, inside, outside, and then do around the flower beds, edge them out with a weed eater, and all the little obstacles. So I'm gonna have to do some thinking on this one. Try to keep y'all with me on this. So just stick with me. We'll figure something out. We'll work on this together. All right, see you in a few. All right, guys. I swear I'm allergic to grass. Well, it took a little bit longer. I forgot that I had to trim the shrubs while I was there. I forgot all about that. But I'll go ahead and tell you the surprise. Surprise new purchase. Uh-oh, hold on. Sneeze, bro. Sneezing. Anyway, before I sneeze again, the new purchase is the 5005 Generation 2 All-American Sharpener. I've never been able to get it quite right with just an angle grinder. Get some fresh air. But I've never been able to get it quite right with the angle grinder. So, you know, I've heard a lot of people say a lot of good things about them. I could have got it's either the 5000 or either 5002 model. But all that does is one angle. So the way I looked at it is I can also make money with it, because there's a lot of people around here that mow grass. So I can pick up their blades and sharpen them for them, and maybe make a little bit of money, like that too, So I got the one that'll do it all, except for I think they're having some issues with the Honda blades and stuff like that right now. But I don't know any commercial people that run Honda mowers as far as the big mower goes, so shouldn't be a problem. But anyways, it's too dark to show you an after. I'll be back over this way Friday. Hopefully I can get this video done and uploaded, and then Friday I doubt I will record, because it's just not really, I don't know, I might record anyway, just for the heck of it. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, let you know whenever I make videos, post them, and leave me a comment, something. How you guys doing during all this pandemic, whatever you want to call it, hoax maybe. I didn't say that out loud. But anyway, guys, hope you have a good one with Drew with New Beginnings Landscaping. Y'all have a night.